Welcome to your daily tech news roundup. I'm your host, bringing you the top stories from December 24th to 26th. First up, a major entertainment company is embedding AI across its operations, from theme park logistics and ride optimizations to film production workflows, marketing campaigns, and even personalized content on streaming platforms. They're moving beyond experimental pilots into full-scale deployment, integrating generative AI to enhance efficiency, audience understanding, and creative output. Meanwhile, an automotive cybersecurity platform is gaining traction, offering real-time threat detection for next-gen connected vehicles and projecting $50 million in revenue over the next 5 years. Why it matters? These developments demonstrate AI evolving from a novelty tool into essential infrastructure, enabling industries to cut costs, boost productivity, and stay competitive in fast-changing markets, potentially reshaping entertainment ecosystems and vehicle safety standards worldwide.
Next, China has hit a significant milestone with over 700 generative AI large model products completing regulatory filing, as announced by the Cyberspace Administration, signaling structured oversight amid rapid innovation. Harmony OS devices have now surpassed 1.19 billion units worldwide, with embodied intelligence, AI systems that interact physically with the real world, shifting toward practical industrial applications like manufacturing and robotics. Internet penetration has reached 79.7%, driving rural economic growth through expanded online retail platforms and telemedicine services that connect remote areas to healthcare. Why it matters? This underscores China's aggressive scaling of AI capabilities under regulation, alongside a strong push for digital inclusion, which could accelerate global tech competition while bridging urban-rural divides and fostering new economic opportunities.
Finally, in 3D printing advancements, Nanoscribe has sold its 400th high-precision system this year, fueled by surging demand in optics, photonics, and microfabrication for applications like advanced lenses and sensors. New York State is investing $32 million in a cutting-edge tech facility at SUNY Delhi, focused on training programs for advanced manufacturing to build skilled workers. Why it matters? These milestones directly tackle critical workforce shortages in precision technologies, supporting innovation in high-tech sectors and ensuring a pipeline of talent for industries reliant on micro-scale manufacturing. That's your Tech Roundup for today. Stay informed. Thanks for watching.